Okay, so this is part 2. I'm gonna make a house tour after I take a bath. And after I pray to God at 12. Luca has too much of it. Yeah, so this will be like a short video because I don't know what to put in there. So yeah. And they're like so cute. They're like finding something, and every time I squat down, Luca will sneak in my pocket.
Don't give them anymore.
I'm not giving them.
Because it will be problem when their food is small.
So it's like they don't want their food. I'm gonna make a room tour, a house tour tonight. That's for me, you dumb brains. They don't really have dumb brains. They're clever brains. Okay, so yeah, bye.